Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we have to go to our profile. Click on this profile button and you have to go to the Instagram setting. Wait guys, you can click on these three lines on the top right to open the settings and activity, and here we have to open the account center, and you can click on the personal details right here, and you can click on account ownership and control. And here we have two options. We can select memorialization or deactivation or deletion. And since we want to delete our Instagram account, we can click on deactivation or deletion. And here I have logged into multiple accounts on my Instagram, so I'm going to select one of them. For instance, I'm going to delete this Instagram account. We can click on the account and we just need to click on delete account. Then we can click on continue and follow the instruction from Instagram application. Alright guys, so that's how we can delete Instagram account. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.